Oh God! Jesus Christ! I love you, God! Damn! I'm true! Jesus Christ! Check that! I'm righteous!
What? Very hot, girl. Yeah, I'm up in my bag, but I mean, he is too. That's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes.
Simone.
Why?
Why are you smiling like that?
I just like to smile. Smiling's my favorite.
Make work your favorite. That's your favorite, okay?
Okay.
Work is your new favorite.
Fine.
It's time for the announcement. Okay, people, tomorrow morning, 10 a.m., Santa's coming to town.
Alright, is this gonna work? This is gonna work. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube video. Oh! It's Christmas Eve! Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm gonna be making
Cookies. Oh, sorry.
You Suck.
2 toffee totes, 2 caramel clumpies, and 15 boxes of coconutties.
Exactly. I'd like to see somebody else order that many cookies. Not likely.
So, as you guys probably heard from my brother, I'm gonna be making chocolate chip cookies because, you know, it's Christmas Eve and I need a snack and I'm kind of hungry and we're gonna just make cookies. Sounds pretty good. My dad is playing Christmas music, so. No. No. So, I was like, what is that? So, how do you turn on the oven? To get in the Christmas spirit, don't you need Christmas, matching, well, how much stop? In order to be in the Christmas Eve spirit, you have to have Christmas clothes. So, I'm gonna change it quick. Wait, should I do a spin or should I jump? I think I'll jump. Ha! So, I'm wearing my whole entire outfit. It's from Target, and it's pretty cute, and it's Christmas themed, so let's start cooking. Alright, so, we're gonna need cookies, of course. I have the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookie. This video isn't sponsored, but Pillsbury, if you guys want to sponsor me, because I'm legit like that. So, I need to put this on 350. Bake. 350. Look. Oh, it's preheating. Okay, so I'm gonna let this kind of, it's not that hard, so I'm gonna let it go. There you go. Alright, so we have the pan, check, then we have the cookies. So we're gonna make it. So my day was pretty cool. Today I woke up, I edited a video. What? Okay. I edited a video and then I got dressed. I did my makeup and everything, and we went. Okay, the plan was that we were gonna go to the strip and then we were going to go ice skating. I was pretty nervous, but I was like, yeah, sure, I'll do it. But we had went to the skating rink. We went to the ice skating rink that was in the Cosmopolitan. The Cosmopolitan. Is that how you say it?
No, Cosmopolitan.
The Cosmopolitan. Okay, so we went to the Cosmopolitan and they had an ice skating rink there, and I was planning to go, but it was like super duper like small, and I think there was mainly like for little like kids. It was mainly like for kids that were like maybe like 5 years, maybe like 5 like to 8 years old. But it was like not good, and also because it was like crowded too, and mom was like,
No, she did not like
it at all. So we were gonna do it, but we didn't do it. But after that, we looked around at some hotels. We went to what hotels did we go into, Nana?
Oh, shit. We went into the Aria. We went into Bellagio.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we went into Paris.
Yeah, we went to all those hotels. If you guys cannot hear her, but we went into all those hotels and it was pretty cool. And we went inside there because it's like Christmas theme, you know. So they usually like decorate like the whole entire like hotel. We went into like different like different like stores. We went into like Gucci and like no, we didn't go into we went into Louis Vuitton. We went into Louis Vuitton, Prada. I like some. We didn't go to Prada.
No.
We went to Louis. Okay, we went to Louis. Chanel. That's what I was trying to think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we went to a lot of places. That was pretty cool. Yeah, Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. Yeah, we went into like a lot of like cool like stores and you know, got to window shop, you know, and it was pretty fun. I actually liked it. It was fun. And then after that we were hungry, so we went inside of Bubblegums, and this is ate so good. Woo, y'all! I had the surf and turf. No, I had the Lieutenant Dan surf and turf. So usually surf and turf is like shrimp, like with steak, yeah, but I got shrimp and ribs, and that's what they had there. I ate that and it was super duper good. And then after that we went into the Bellagio. We saw the water show. It was like a Christmas thing because obviously it's Christmas. But we saw the show and then we went inside of the Bellagio, and then the Rose Garden inside of the Bellagio. It was like a Christmas theme, so it was like decorated like as if it was like a winter like wonderland like type of stuff, and it was pretty cute. We took some pictures. I'll insert that in there. And then after that we walked back, and then we went. Now we're here and we're making cookies. So I had a pretty productive day. Lots of walking. This is what happened. I was ready. So when I was walking with my mom, right? Because we were behind. No, oh my gosh, we were walking behind my nana, my sister, and my brother, and literally saw this guy like sniffing like cocaine, like he was doing like cocaine, and it was like this pillar, and like he put the drugs. It was like laid out, and he was chugging like his whole entire like nose and like the upper like lip white. I was like, I looked, I was like, and he was like, I said, ugh, I got, ugh. It was so weird. You guys can go. Ew, okay. I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna take a picture. I'll be right back.
2 inches later.
Literally, the guy, a celeb, a TikTok creator liked my comment. What? I know I'm freaking out, I'm sorry, but like, there's nothing, like he makes such great videos. Follow him at George X Adam. He's a pretty good TikToker.
I'm gonna go tomorrow morning and just. I'm sorry, I didn't record.
So I made the cookies. I have my 3 cookies and I'm gonna eat it. So that is the end of the video. I'm sorry if it was really short. I'm trying to spend time with family for Christmas Eve and you know, enjoy Christmas Eve. So I'm gonna try and get it done tonight. Try and get the editing done tonight. If I can't, then it will go maybe Christmas morning or maybe the day after Christmas. I don't know. But I'm gonna try and get it up tonight. That's the goal. I'm going to exit the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because the videos are pretty lit, and you know we love a lit video. And I'll catch you guys on the other side. And yeah, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, whatever holiday, Chrysler, any type of religion you do. Happy holidays, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.